Want to see how I get this super cute Bantu puff hairstyle? Then keep watching. Hi guys, my name is Cree, also known as Creative91. Today I'm going to be showing you how I do Bantu puffs on my natural hair. Oh my gosh, so this is the first time I'm doing this hairstyle. I kind of made it up. It just went to the top of my head, but when I wore it out, I got so many compliments.
Man, this shit is sick, boy.
I'm starting off on freshly washed blow dry hair. I already added my products, which is my leave-in, Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil, and I use my regular oil blend. I applied these products during my blow dry process just to make it easier while I'm styling my hair. But feel free to add more product like cream in order to moisturize it if you plan on wearing this style for the long term, maybe for like a couple of weeks, just to make sure that the moisture is locked in your hair the whole time. Okay, the method to do these Bantu puffs are super easy. First you start by rolling the hair around 2 fingers, and then you'll make a loop, and with that loop you'll take the top part of the hair and pull it through. So you're kind of making a knot at the end. But don't worry, it's not a real knot. It's actually pretty easily to take out and it won't damage your hair. And that's why I call it a Bantu puff, because you're twisting your hair like you would a Bantu knot, but not as tight, and then it will form a curl if you take it out. Okay, so again, the method is you're kind of twisting and rolling around your finger. Once you make a loop, you're pulling the hair from the top through the loop to make a knot. You don't need a rubber band because the knot will hold the hair in place. And it's as simple as that. The rest you're just repeating the process until you finish with your whole head. Oh yeah, make sure your hair is combed out thoroughly so that the puffs look more smooth. And also when you take it down, it helps the curls to look more uniform and less frizzy. And this is what it's looking like up close. So the longest I wore this hairstyle has been 2 weeks, and when I take it down, it makes really pretty curls, so then you can end up wearing your hair for even longer. I'll show you my takedown method of these Bantu puffs in my next tutorial. Also guys, you can find a list of my products in the description bar, and I end up using bead decorations later. You can find similar ones in my product list, or you can find them at the local beauty supply. Ignore me, I'm just over here munching while I do my hair. Okay, so I finished with the back of my hair. I did about 12 knots, so I parted my hair in half. I did 6 on one side and 6 on the other. So my hair is looking pretty fluffy in the back. This Bantu style actually serves as a great protective style because my hair can stay in place from the humidity and any other elements, and the ends are tucked away and protected. Whoo child, I was just noticing all this gray hair that's popping up, but you know what? I'm not mad at it. I'm actually fine with it. When I throw these hundreds, I hope that your ass gon' know what to I'm the big boss and I got big bread. I'm getting big headed and I like good head. I'm not cheap, baby, and I'm still not selfish. Taking like others down to broke my pelvis. Jumping off the top rope while I'm tag teaming. Putting on the show, I got the whole crowd screaming. Sometimes you may see me playing with a couple pieces of my hair. That's because this style is all about shaping and just making your hair go into place. It's like you're wearing an afro, you know. You want your hair to be shaped a certain way. But yeah, I'm moving right along with this hairstyle. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm just so tired. I feel like this whole process may have took me like an hour and a half, most at 2, and I was watching TV and snacking in the meantime. Like for my standards, that's pretty quick for this hairstyle to last a couple of weeks. I was just admiring the shape of my hair. It actually looks pretty nice. So guys, I did a total of 14 Bantu puffs in the front, 7 on one side of my face and 7 on the other. So that's a total of 26 for my whole head. Okay guys, so we are finishing up this hairstyle. I'm almost done. It came out pretty neat. It was bouncy, fluffy, soft. I was loving the results of it. Just can't front when I look at you. Just keep it 100 when I throw these hundreds. I hope that your ass gon' know what to So the final look is coming up. I added foil beads, the ones that bend, just to the ends of my ear for decoration.
Man and Doja Cat, call me El Gato. I'm the big boss and I got big bread. I'm getting big headed and I like good head. I'm not cheap, baby, and I'm sure not selfish. Taking like others down the broke my pelvis. Jumping off the top rope, I'm tag teaming. Putting on the show, I got the whole crowd screaming. Push you with the bread, I'm like a top notch freak. Act like I'm a treat when a dog see me. Like a thief in the night, like she stole my green. Got me walking off the scene like a hole in my jeans.
Okay, so I'm nearing the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you would try this style. What are your thoughts? Feel free to comment, like, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I thank you guys so much for your support. But thank you guys. I'll see you soon in my next upcoming videos. I'll see you later. Bye. I like it.